Well, they took it with no problem. They didn't even ask me any questions. They just took it back, so apparently it's known for not being good, but they still sell it. So a note, this one lasted quite a while. It actually has a few teeth, but not as many as this one. This one only lasted 2 cuts before it was sheared. 60 tooth. I think it just did not have the strength on the individual blades to handle it. So there's that. And I went and bought me a bag, several bags. I got me a 3-pack of this one. I don't know how this one's going to do, but it's 3 of them for it. And then that one I just showed you, which is 40 tooth, which I already bought, and it lasted quite a few cuts before I had to replace it. It is about $15. These were all 3 for about $15 or $20, so we'll find out. I'm very happy that they took my money back with no complaint, or gave me my money with no complaints on that one. Anyhow, it's time to get back going. So I'm going to get this one here replaced, and I'll bring you back in when I'm cutting, and we'll see if we can cut 1,000 more cuts. Which is kind of what it is. It's cutting. Oh my gosh, driving me nuts. Alright, we do a test. Oh my gosh. Go. Oh my god, the hiccups are driving me nuts. Anyhow, I had to cut each one of these off here, up here on both sides. And we can go do, oh god. We can do a test fit on these and get the final dimensions kind of ironed out. And then once we do that, we can get all the rest of these, the final dimensions. Whew. Get my earpods put back in. surprised I didn't know if this is not my first time being up here. Third time. Fourth time, I don't know how many times. Anyhow, so I came up here the other day and started cleaning this off because I thought I was going to directly weld to it. I still don't know if I'm going to. I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to cut this off actually. A little nervous because I have to come back up here and re-weld it. Redo a seam.